Morning guys, and welcome to my Facebook official account. And here's one of our young birds here. This bird was given to me by a good friend, John Kenneth Kilyapo. And most of these birds was given to me by some of my friends. You see that brown over there? It is given to me by my friend Jev. I don't know what line it is. I think it's Garuda line. And also this one is given to me by my friend named Punyo or Junior. So we already placed dropping tray, and let's look at the droppings. See that good nice droppings over there. They are in good shape, and this bird is following me. uh, Down here, I need to do some adjustments because as you can see, the feet of this loft is not equal because of the elevation of the floor. Also, this area is where I will place the stock birds and the hens or the sire if I don't need them to pair up. So we have the pair already here, and we have their squabs. They are ready to be shipped to my friend's loft, and there they will fly. They're already good to be weaned. Beautiful, nice birds. Beautiful, nice. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful bird. See that? These two will go to Kenneth Medina, and this eggs over here will stay to me. Beautiful birds. See that? Very beautiful. And I have 6 birds here. This one is one I blinded, and this one I think he will not last, but I just want them to stay until they die. I don't want to kill them. I just want them to naturally die. Recently, this bird is vomiting its food, and it has a dark green droppings. What I did is I gave him charcoal grits, and also I give him water with bleach, and that helped him to be healed. So the young one here is also ready to be weaned, to be separated from its parents. And also this one, these birds will stay in my loft. And also these two down here, they will stay here, there, they will fly here in my loft. And I have plenty of tubular and also steel pipes and some roofs. I'll be renovating this area once more, renovating again, even though I haven't finished the previous renovation. I have talked to my brother that we will make this area a second floor, and I will be placing my birds on the second floor, and that would benefit me a lot. And sooner or later I will also replace this breeder cage here with steel, a metal, and wait for that video. How will I make a collapsible cage, breeding cage? Oh man, yo Pelix the cat, Cube, what have you done? Oh man, she just ruined my record, my list. Oh, I'm lucky she didn't tear the money. Be a good girl, okay? Be a good girl. Kiss. So that's it, guys. Kindly excuse me for talking in English for my Filipino friends, because I just want to connect with the with those who aren't able to understood Tagalog. That's why I'm trying my best to speak in English. And I have here some seashells. I'll be grinding this to make some grits. See that? Also I have clay pots here. Also I have what we call this, it's called apog in the Philippines, but it is I think it's calcium carbonate in English. It's good for the bird, good source of calcium. And also I have mixed grits. Oh, mixed grits here. And there it is a mixed calcium carbonate and horseradish. Malunggay in Tagalog. Also, I roasted some horseradish or malunggay to make a coffee out of it. It's healthy. Also, it will help our birds when they have discomfort in their digestion because of the charcoal property. You see, charcoal zip the toxins inside our body when we ate something that is not good. It's really helpful. Also, I just bought what we call this capsulizer. This is a capsulizing tool. This is what I use to capsulize some powder here. See that? You can buy it in Shopee, and I also made some malunggay capsules, and it's great, really great. Highly recommended. Palome probiotic. And they asked me what vitamins I used for my birds. Well, what I use is this. Set Pro. It has multivitamins, minerals, electrolytes, amino acids, and probiotic. And I have medicines here. They're just standing by so that when I have to treat my birds, I have them. This is T2S 500. It's good for the indigestion because of the sulfonamide, and thiamulene is also good for respiratory. And I have Bastonero Plus. It's for the deworming. Pramoxil, it's antibacterial. And my favorite one, it's Vetracin Ultima. It's doxycycline, thylacine, paracetamol, bromhexine, and prednisolone. It really helps your birds to recover from sickness. These two. Also, I have this one, Amtil 500. Actually, Amtil has thylacine and amoxicillin that is also present in some of this, like this one. Amoxicillin, thylacine, paracetamol is same to what we call this one, Amtil. They're the same. It is just that Amtil is made out of tablets. And also recently, also I have cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12 for conditioning. And this is what I use when my birds arrive. It's dextrose powder. Also, I use this in our dogs and our cats. And I have my very own, there. They are hidden there in the dark. My very own probiotic. That's my very own. That's it, guys. I hope that what I just showed you will help you, and also will give you an idea how I took care of my birds, of my pigeons here. And also look at this one. Do you see that? Do you see this? Did you see this? Did you happen to notice this? Did you notice this plant here? This tree here? Did you notice it? This is horseradish, and in Tagalog it's malunggay. Pigeons love this. They actually eat it. See that? They eat it, It's a good source of natural vitamins, not only to our birds but also to us people. And also it is um, healthy, rich in iron, calcium, and other trace minerals. And also it is an antiviral. That's why I placed it beside the loft so that my pigeons would eat it, and it is a it will cause me less problem when it comes to their health and maintenance. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoy the tour here, and I hope that by next week that I could finish this one because I'm busy right now. I wasn't able to focus on the loft, and tomorrow will be our what we call this, our last lap, final lap for the fun race, and I hope that we will win the first prize, even though there are great fancier that we are facing. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great day and thank you. I hope that you understood my English speaking, and I hope it helped a lot. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and also share the video so that many would be inspired and would enjoy taking good cares of these little creatures called pigeons. Thank you, everyone.